Welcome to Exchange Rates UK TV. It is the 25th of June 2021, 4:06 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Ethereum today down quite a bit. It's down almost 7%. I believe today it was down a little bit more than, was it close to 10? I got to put the magnifier on, or magnet, I mean. It's on the weekly, I'm sorry. On the daily, yeah, it's been down over 10% before. So we're back to the 618 Fibonacci extension, and it's right near that $1,800 support zone. If we close where we're at right now, that'll be the lowest close. That'll be a more than a 1 month close, and we're closing back to where we were in March, basically. It looks pretty hairy here. There was not a bearish divergence that printed like it did on Bitcoin, but it still doesn't look very supportive. The level 30 zone, if you look at this, we have a somewhat of a support zone here shared between these lows, but that may not hold. The percent B is sloping down again. The volume point of control is all the way down at 1200. And that's for the 2021 volume point of control. Does it mean it's going to go down there? Not necessarily, but don't be surprised if it does. The prior support range we've identified between 1200 and 1400 still exists, and the top end of that is near the 382 Fibonacci retracement and the 100% Fibonacci extension. So in that $1,400 range is where the initial strong support occurs, and then when you get lower towards 1200, it just kind of increases. In fact, that volume point of control is pretty close to the 127.2% Fibonacci extension, so there's a lot of zone in there. The RSI has been flattening out, but it's been trending lower. Probably going to see it break down below 30 and 20 here in a little bit. So that'll be a point of contention for bulls here. But definitely, I mean, see lower prices to the 1400 range at the very least here in the very near future. So watch out for that. And I mean, I don't think there's a whole lot else there for Ethereum. I mean, the weekly chart still shows weakness across the board. I mean, the percent B is about to drop and test 0.2 and maybe drop below 0.2 while the RSI is still above 40. That might generate some strong selling pressure. But at the same time, let me change this. Ethereum on the weekly chart is still in a bull market. And 50 and 40 are the oversold levels. So we're just kind of tagging 50 on the weekly chart. You know, like there's still several days or a couple days left before this weekly candle closes. So there's no reason to think that we could not see support be found at 50 or 40 and, you know, see a turnaround here. But that's got to be supported by the price action because there is a lot of support structure here. There's enough of it. There's a high volume node here. The 618 extension's right there. I mean, there's a lot of reasons that you could see it hold as support. But for right now, it just still looks very weak to the downside still. From all of us here at Exchange Rates UK TV, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.